गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम जूनियर केजी में मैथ सब्जेक्ट में स्टडी करने वाले हैं। मैथ्स में आज हम वर्ड्स कम वर्ड्स गो वाला एक न्यू टॉपिक कर रहे हैं। ये ओरल टॉपिक है आपके लिए, नंबर्स टॉपिक। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट।
Hello, Starry. What a beautiful day it is. There are so many colorful birds sitting on the branch of this tree. Come, let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 colorful birds. Oh, see, Starry. One bird is flying away. Now, how many birds are left on the branch? There are 1, 2, 3, and 4 birds left. Now see, that pink bird also flew away, Starry. So, there are 1, 2, and 3 birds left on the branch. And one more bird is flying away. Tell me, Starry, how many birds left now? Yes, 1 and 2. 2 birds left on the branch now. Oh, Starry, this yellow bird is also flying away. Now there is only 1 bird left on the branch. Hey, Starry, now if this one remaining bird also flies away, then tell me, how many birds will be left? Oh, Starry, there will be no birds left. We say there are 0 birds left on the branch. None means 0. Hey, look here, Starry. There are a few birds swinging happily on the road.
सी, यहाँ पे कुछ बर्ड्स दिखाई। कितनी बर्ड्स है? 4। वो अच्छे से सिंगिंग कर रही है। ओके, अब देखते हैं ये बॉय क्या करता है।
And here is a boy. Look what he's holding. It is a beautiful drum. Let us count the number of birds sitting on the road. 1, 2, 3, and 4 birds. The boy is beating the drum loudly now. And Starry, look, all the birds are flying away, hearing the sound of the drum. Now, tell me, how many birds can you see on the road? Oh, none. There are no birds on the road. All the birds flew away. So, 0 birds are left behind.
यहाँ पे रोड पे पहले कितनी 4 बर्ड्स बैठ के अच्छे से सिंगिंग कर रही थी, बट ये बच्चे ने लाउडली ड्रम बजाया तो वो सारी डर गई और वो सारी फ्लू अवे हो गई। सो अब यहाँ पे रोड पे कितनी बर्ड्स हैं? नन। ओके,
Hey, Starry, I remember a very beautiful song for the number 0. Come, let us sing the song of 0. The song of 0. 9 little birdies played and played. 1 went to bed and then there were 8. 8 little birdies scared of the raven. 1 flew away and then there were 7. 7 little birdies got into a fix. 1 got away and then there were 6. 6 little birdies learning to dive. One hopped away and and then there were five. Five little birdies hid behind a door. One crept away, and then there were four. Four little birdies sitting on a tree. One went home, and then there were three. Three little birdies wondering what to do. One went to work, and then there were two. Two little birdies picking up crumbs. One flew away, but still there was one. One little birdie singing all alone. And if he goes away, there will be none. There will be none means there will be zero. When none is left, it means there's zero left. So, we have now learned the number 0. Goodbye, Starry. Hey, Starry. We have learnt a lot about addition of numbers earlier. Let us now do addition in a more interesting way. We will do addition by increasing in tens. Look at this addition. 35 plus 10. 35 is 3 tens and 5 units.
अब हम कुछ लाइंस, कर्व और शेप के बारे में देखेंगे।
Let's take a sheet of marble paper. Fold the paper this way. Now unfold it. The line that we see here is called the horizontal line. Now take a paper and fold it in this way. The line that we see now is called the vertical line. Now,
ये जो पेपर फोल्ड किया था तो बीच में कौन सी लाइन बन गई? वर्टिकल लाइन।
now fold the paper like this. On unfolding it, we see a line which is not horizontal nor vertical. It is called a slanting line. Starry, see, I have also got satin ribbon with me. Now I am going to hold this satin ribbon in my hand and stretch it. If I stretch the ribbon and hold it like this, which line is formed? Yes, a horizontal line. Now see, a vertical line is formed. What about this one, Starry? Yes, this is the slanting line. Hey, Starry, what are you doing? Are you playing with that string? You are stretching the string and loosening it. Oh, Starry, you stretched it again. Do you know what does it form when you stretch the string? It forms a straight line. And when you hold it loose, it forms a curved line. Straight line, curved line. Wow, you seem to be enjoying it. Starry, draw the curved line shown here. It means when we write C, we draw a curved line. Now draw this one. Hey, it is the alphabet S. Stanley, even your name starts with the alphabet S. So, let's draw this curved line. Good. Hey, Starry, what does this line look like? Does it remind you of something? Yes, it looks like Chuckly. Okay, let us draw Chuckly. A curved line again. Wow! Excellent, Starry.
Chapter 12. Give and Take.
Stanley, let us do a few word problems on addition. Manisha placed a dish of water in the garden for the birds. 21 sparrows came to drink water. 19 crows came too. So tell me, Starry, all together, how many birds came to drink water? We draw the box for tens and units. To find the total number of birds, we have to add 21 and 19. We add the units first. 1 unit and 9 units make 10 units. 10 is 1/10 and 0 units. So, we write 0 in the units place and carry over 1/10 to the tens place. Now, we add the tens. 1/10 plus 2 tens plus 1/10. That makes 4 tens. 4 tens and 0 units means 40. So, altogether, 40 birds came to drink water. Look at the next example, Starry. Sagar planted 29 mango saplings and 37 tamarind saplings. How many saplings did he plant altogether? Starry, we will have to add the 29 mango saplings and 37 tamarind saplings. 9 units and 7 units make 16 units. 16 units is 1/10 and 6 units. We write 6 in the units place and carry over 1/10 to the tens place. Now add 1/10, 2 tens and 3 tens. We get 6 tens. So, it is 6 tens and 6 units. That makes the number 66. So, Sagar planted 66 saplings all together. The next one says, Sudhir read 45 pages of his storybook in the morning and 18 pages in the evening. How many pages did he read altogether? To find out the total number of pages read by Sudhir, we have to add 45 pages and 18 pages. In the units place, 5 units and 8 units make 13 units. 13 units is 1/10 and 3 units. Write 3 in the units place and carry over 1/10 to the tens place. In the tens place, 1 Hey Starry, look what a lovely sari this is. And do you see the beautiful design on this sari? Look at the border of this sari. It has lines joined to form a triangular shape. And look here, so many curved lines are designed on it. Circular lines are printed in a specific pattern. Isn't it lovely? Look at this Rangoli Starry. It has a beautiful design at its 4 corners. All the 4 corners have the same design. And also, look at the design in the center. This Rangoli design forms a pattern. Starry, have you noticed the fence around your house? It is also following a specific pattern. Starry, you will see many such patterns in your surroundings. Let us go and observe the things around us. Hey Starry, are you writing the alphabets from A to Z? Very good. You have written it correctly from the start to end. Starry, when you were younger, you did not know how to write the alphabets correctly. You always got stuck after writing B. You used to write A, then B, then again A, then B. But Starry, let me tell you, though it was a mistake, still unknowingly you created a pattern in alphabets. Yes, Starry, patterns.
पैटर्न्स की प्रैक्टिस आपको घर पे करनी है और आज का जो लेक्चर था वो एकदम ओरल था। ओरल ही आपको जस्ट वॉच करना था और आपको उसको सिर्फ लर्न करना था, वो आपको लिखना नहीं है, कहीं रिलेट नहीं है। सो जो भी है वो ओरल एक्टिविटीज़ थी। जो भी हम डिजिटल रूम में एक्टिविटीज़ करेंगे वो सारी ओरल एक्टिविटी होगी, जो आपके केजी सेक्शन के सिलेबस के बाहर की होगी थोड़ी, क्योंकि कुछ चीज़ें जीके कन्वर्सेशन ऐसी ओरल एक्टिविटी भी साथ साथ में सीखनी ज़रूरी है। ओके, आज का लेक्चर हम यही कंप्लीट करते हैं। नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हैव अ नाइस डे।